Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share Instagram Reels via messages using your iPhone, Android, iOS device. So, first when you open your Instagram app, find any your Reels video which you want to share with your friends on direct message. Then tap on this Reels video. If you use Android device, you will see at the top right three little dots. Just tap on three little dots. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on three little dots here in the bottom right corner. On Android and iPhone device, just tap on share to. Alright, on Android device you should find Instagram direct in this list. If you not see in this list direct Instagram, just swipe from right to left and you will see it. On iPhone device, same. We should find Instagram. As you can see here, like me, just swipe from right to left. Then tap on Instagram. On Android device, tap on Instagram Direct. And here you will see all people with whom you can share. It's your friends. Also, you can tap on search and write some nickname on Instagram. For example, this one. Select by your friends, and then you will see write a message. You can write some message on this post Reels and then tap on share. As you can see, send, and you share this post to your friends via message on Instagram. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.